My name is Klaus Luig. I'm an architect from Germany. I'm running an architectural firm that is doing typical construction and design work. At the same time, I'm lecturing at University of Applied Science and Art in Dortmund about innovative building envelopes. In the Reincarnate project, I'm responsible for two work packages, and today I will talk about work package 2, which is about upgrading solutions for building products in one special part of it, where 3L is responsible for. And I will give you an outlook on how upgrading of building products might boost the circular economy application in the building construction market. At the moment, we are facing a severe shortage of material in the building market caused by different things. It's the Ukraine war, it's other aspects. It started a little bit with Corona. So how to overcome this now in a smart way? For sure, it's much better to reuse building products used for construction issues, thermal insulation, but maybe even mechanical services. However, there's a lot of questions about, is it the same material? Does it have certification labels, and is it applicable for a certain purpose? In our task, we were really focusing on how to upgrade building materials and products in a proper way. And we called it the 4E methodology. It's a process optimization that we developed. It starts with the material creation, goes to product. Then the next quality level is component, and at the end of it, it's a system that's created. I want to give you a short sample about it. We were discussing about the second frame, the next envelope that is added to a regular building. And we used for this wooden windows, just took them as they were and built a system out of them that gives another shade issue, another thermal insulation issue, and produces very good air quality that is created by this in-between space of the facade. In fact, R&D work, as we understand it, it's really created by our daily work. So we have the shortage issue, we have the different material issue, but at the same time, we are inspired for sure by the demands of climate change. We want to have the best thermal insulation, the best indoor air quality. And this is how this idea for the second layer was created. We were thinking about something that is easy to use, not too complicated, but at the same time, by reusing these components that are still existing, we designed a new systemic approach for it, a new system. We gave a new process into it, and now we have a product and a solution at a much higher level than all of the single components would provide or could provide if they were just reused as a single one. How can we describe where we are at the moment with this product process optimization idea for a system? For sure, it's like this. The technical feasibility of the systemic approach that we developed is crystal clear possible. However, there are some inconsistencies because the question is, how big is the advantage that we create? We know that we create an advantage, for sure, but how big is it, and how big is the influence on the interior side of the building if we go for a better indoor air quality and a much easier to heat building? So in that case, at the moment, we are producing our own evaluation data to create an efficiency and effectiveness simulation tool. This is an upcoming task that we're going through, and at the end of the Reincarnate project, we will provide this information to people to make sure that it can be replicated quite easy, this idea for this system of another envelope added to the existing one.